Hello everyone. These days we are celebrating the Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Sri Lankan Sinhala and Tamil New Year is a joyful festival celebrated to ensure a good harvest and to bring prosperity and happiness to the country. The date of Sinhala and Tamil New Year is determined by the astrologists. In this year, Sinhala and Tamil New Year starts on 13th of April. We welcome the new year with loud bursts of firecrackers. The arabidha trees are in full bloom and the cuckoo bird, also known as koha, is regarded as the informer of the start of this new year. People prepare for this great festival by cleaning and painting their homes, buying new clothes and gifts for their family members and friends and their relatives. Traditional sweetmeats such as kaum, cookies, alua and many others are prepared for this great day. People visit their neighbors and relatives and engage in New Year fun games. And this festival is my favorite and maybe yours if you're a Sri Lankan. Let me know in the comments whether this festival is your favorite or not. So, happy Sinhala and Tamil New Year for all of you. Bye!